Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove your headlight and upgrade it with LED from AUXITO on your Honda CRV. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's start working on this one first. This is the passenger side, and it seems like you got a lot more room to work on compared to the driver's side. First, you have to unplug the connector. It's right there. Then, remove the dust cover. There you go. Then, disconnect this retaining clip right here. And here's your basic headlight. This one is going out. Yeah, it's time to upgrade it. And here is the LED light replacement from AUXITO, and the model number is Y19. Let's go ahead and open this up. The box included the gloves, zip tie, owner's manual. Yep, this is model Y19, and the LED light itself. Wow, they look really solid. Is this gonna fit? Okay guys, so I'm doing a quick comparison. Just want to make sure that they do have the same mounting bracket size. So it looks great. Let's go do it. Alright guys, so I used the alligator clip just to hold this bracket in place, so it's not gonna be on the way when we install the new LED. And the new LED, it's gonna go in this way. Alright, let's do this really quick. Alright, it's in there. Use the mirror to make sure we are installing it properly. Then remove the clip and put this in there. You're gonna tuck this one in place. And hook it up. There we go. It's secured right there. Then install this one. There's a little bit of work here. There we go. There you have it. Then look for the connector. Good night, bud. And plug this in. There we go. Now we're gonna find a place to secure this module. Where we can, oh, maybe we can hook it up over here. There we go. That's a perfect spot right there. Just clean this up a little bit and clean the module. Grab this double-sided tape. There are two of them. Okay. Right there. Get it off. Oh, I dropped it. Alright guys, so unfortunately I dropped that thing and I can't find it anymore. But I do have this. Let's go move on. There we go. This one is also double-sided tape. Not as thick as the other one, but it's just gonna work the same. Alright, this might help me out. There we go. And put this one in here. There we go. It's in there. Then just use the zip tie to secure this one here too. All right. Cool. So this one, and let's see how this thing does. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. Here it is, guys. It's pretty bright, huh? That's cool. Alright guys, so let's move on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and disconnect this one. There you go. Hide this one for now. Undo the mounting clip right there and remove the light bulb. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and install this one. Very careful. This one looks solid. Love them. Okay, let's do this. Okay. It's right there. There we go. And put this in. You gotta hook this one at the bottom and hook this one on the top. Okay. I wish I can give you guys a better angle. There we go. Sweet. It's right there now. Double check it with the mirror. And yep, seated correctly. Cool. Let's go ahead and install this dust cover. Okay. Right. Go. Make sure this one's okay. Make sure this one will sit correctly. Cool. Now alright, now let's think about how we're gonna secure this. No, we're not gonna put that one up there. Alright, I think I'm just gonna do this way, like that. Okay, I got my double-sided tape back, and I got it way too long. There we go. Down in there. Peel this off. That's not gonna work. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a zip tie here, guys. Right there. Right here. Right there. Then hook it up. There we go. Are you not? Okay. It's not gonna go out. Nope. Okay, cool. It's in there. It's not going anywhere. Okay, cool. Not pretty, but hey, they're secured.